Hi, in front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 45HR, and I'm gonna show you how to customize the sound settings on this device. First, let's press and hold the up button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, you can use the down button right here to scroll down. Now, let's scroll down and select the option called the system, then press the start button to enter. Here, let's scroll down, find the option called sounds, and press the start button. And right here we have some settings for our sounds, and we can customize them. First option is Ketones. Basically, if you enable this option by pressing the start button, you will get the sound whenever you press the buttons, like that. And you can disable it, of course, by pressing the start button again. Next option is Alertons. And here you can press the start button to enter, and you have three options: on, during activity, and off. If you select on, the Alertons will be enabled all the time. If you select during activity, they will be enabled only when you're in some sports mode on your watch and you're tracking some activity, and off, they will be disabled. Next option is vibration, and basically you can enable or disable the vibration by switching it on or off. And next option is key vibe. So if you enable this option, you will get the vibration whenever you press the buttons, like this. And that's all. That's how you customize the sound settings on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.